standard input and output. What is standard input and output? You have executed this command, cat command. Okay, this is the output. This is the standard output, and it is showing me in the console. In the screen, it is showing me the output in the console. And what is the input? If we will take this output as a input of another command, then that we will consider as a standard input. Okay. Whenever we will execute a command, the output showing us that is the standard output, and if we use that output for the as a input of another command, then that will called as a standard input. So how we will do this? Please remember there are three symbols we have to use. One is greater than symbol, another is double greater than symbol, and another is with ampersand. Okay, this symbol we have to use. So what is the meaning? Whenever we will use the greater than symbol, it will redirect output of a command to a file. Redirect output of a command to a file. Okay. Whenever we use the double greater than, it will redirect the output to a file and append it. Append. So what is the this is also redirect output to a file. This is also redirect output to a file. But different is append. Append means let's say we have executed a command and the output is redirected to a file a.txt. Okay, let's say we have entered the output is a, and again we have executed another command and we have used the double greater than symbol and the output is b. Okay, here command output is b and we have used the double greater than symbol. So what will happen in text? It will append the data. That means previously we have already a is present inside that file. Now b will append that file. That means it will maintain a as well as b. But whenever we will use only greater than symbol, that what will do? It will override the b on the a. Okay. It will delete the a data and it will override the b. And this is the difference. Append means it will add the output in that file. It will not delete the previous data. This is the difference. And what is the ampersand and greater than symbol? This means it will redirect all output. All output means success as well as failure. What is the meaning of success and failure? I have executed the cat command. Here it is showing me the result. That means this is the success. Here you can see I am trying to use the locate command to search a file fstab, and here it is giving me the error bash locate command not found. That means this is the error, and here you can see this is the output. That means this is a successful output and it is a error. So whenever we will use the greater than symbol with a ampersand symbol, then it will redirect both the output, success and failure. But whenever we will use only the greater than symbol or a double greater than symbol, it will redirect only the successful output. These both will forward only the success, not the failure output. So let me show you how. Here we have a text file, test.txt. Okay, let me check the data. You can see this is the data. We will clear the data. Vi. You can see no data present in test.txt. So what we will do? We will use cat /etc passwd or resolve.conf. Okay, this is the output. Let me clear the screen. This is the output. So what we will do? We will try to redirect the output to a file. For that we have to use the greater than symbol, then /test.txt. You can see no data showing here. That means the entire output is forwarded to the test.txt. So we will now check using the cat command. You can see in the text file the output is present there. Okay. So again what we will do? We will check another command. Now I am use the cat command with /etc password. That means the entire data PSSWD password should be in text.txt. Now check. You can see started from root. But previously we have the data was this was the data. But now root is available and this data is deleted because we have used the single greater than symbol. So whenever we will use the single greater than symbol, it will delete the previous data and it will store the fresh data. So if you want to use the both data, previous data as well as the new data, we have to use the command double greater than. Here I will use the double greater than symbol. Now check. You can see now this data added in that file. That means previous data is present and new data is added in that file. So whenever you will use the double greater than symbol, it will append the data. Now we will check how to redirect the error. Let me clear the data from that file. Please remember, this is the command to clear data from a file. Cat greater than. Okay, now check cat. No data is present. So please remember, to clear data from a text file or any file, we have to use cat greater than symbol that file name. It will delete all the data from a file. So now what we will do? We will redirect the data output. Okay, this is the output we have redirected. Now check, data is there. Now what we will do? We will use the, we will try to generate the error. What is the error? LOCAT FS tab. This is the error. So we will forward that error to the test.txt. You can see the error not forwarded. The error is still showing here because we have used the single greater than symbol. Using the single greater than symbol, we can only forward the successful data. Here it is generating the error, that's why it is not forwarding. Now to forward the error, we have to use a ampersand symbol here. Now you can see error also forwarded. Using the cat command, we can check. you can see error forwarded to the file. Okay, so this is the way we have to use to forward the data from the terminal to the or the from the screen to the any file. So why it is required? Whenever we will create a script and we will write the set of commands, and when the script is not working properly as per our expectation, at that time we will forward the output of the command to a text file so that we can check if our command is working properly or not.